In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dropbox account. This guide is here to help you set up your own account so you can start storing and sharing files with ease. Let's dive into the process and make sure you are all set to get started with Dropbox. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. This is as simple as typing dropbox.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the Dropbox homepage, which is your starting point for creating an account. Next, you should look for a sign up or get started button on the homepage. This is typically prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the sign up form where you can begin entering your personal information. Now you have a decision to make. You can either choose to sign up with your Google account, which is a quick and seamless process, or you can enter your email manually. If you opt for the Google choice, a pop-up will guide you through the necessary steps. Otherwise, if you prefer using your email, go ahead and type it into the provided field. The following step is to enter your first and last name. Ensure that you use your real name, as this will be linked to your account and any files you share. This adds a layer of professionalism and authenticity, especially if you plan on using Dropbox for work or collaborative projects. After your name, it's time to create a strong, unique password. A good password typically consists of at least 8 characters, including a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help secure your account against unauthorized access, ensuring your files are safe. Once your password is created, you'll need to agree to Dropbox's terms by clicking on the Agree and Sign Up button. It's always wise to glance through the terms to know what you're agreeing to, and to have an idea about Dropbox's commitments to your privacy and data security. Following that, you'll come across an option to choose between a free basic plan and several paid plans. With the paid options, you often get a trial period to explore the premium features Dropbox offers. Choose the one that fits your needs best. Subsequently, you'll be asked about the primary purpose for your Dropbox use, be it personal, work, or school. This question helps Dropbox tailor your experience, so select the one that aligns closely with your intended usage. You'll then get the option to install the Dropbox desktop app. While this app offers easy synchronization of your files across devices, you have the flexibility to skip this step for now and install it later if you prefer. And that's it, you can now start exploring your Dropbox dashboard, which is your hub for storing, managing, and sharing your files securely. Enjoy the convenience that comes with having your files accessible from anywhere, and happy sharing.